In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google reviews to your Canva website in just 5 minutes. We all understand how crucial customer feedback can be for establishing credibility, especially online, where businesses strive to build trust with their audience. So in this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to integrate Google reviews into your Canva website, enhancing its professional appeal and allowing you to easily showcase positive customer experiences. To begin, you'll need to log into your Canva account and open the design project where you'd like to add the Google reviews. Once you're in, look towards the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find various options including Elements. Go ahead and click on Elements, which is a powerful tool that gives you the ability to spruce up your designs with a variety of graphics and components. Now that you've clicked on Elements, it's time to search for Google reviews. In the search bar provided, simply type Google review. This will bring up a selection of elements related to Google reviews, from which you can aesthetically incorporate into your design. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for viewing all possible templates and styles that Canva has to offer. As you type in your search, several options will appear, but we want to make sure that we can see all available templates to choose the best one for our purpose. Thus, look for the button labeled See All. Clicking on this will expand your search results, giving you a broader view of the various styles of Google review boxes. Browsing through these options allows you to select a template that best matches your website's look and feel. Once you have expanded your selection and viewed all options, it's time to choose the template that will seamlessly blend into your design. Clicking on an option you like will automatically add it to your project. At this point, you can customize the chosen review template to better fit your website's theme. Canvas designs are flexible, enabling you to adjust colors, sizes, or other elements to ensure everything aligns with your brand's aesthetic. Completing these steps will successfully integrate Google reviews into your Canva website. Adding this element can increase credibility and provide potential customers with the assurance they need from seeing positive feedback from past clients. That's it. Simple and effective, isn't it? With a few clicks, you've elevated the professionalism of your online presence. Be sure to preview your design to confirm everything looks perfect before publishing it live. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Canva website enhancements.